Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Ultra. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 57,515 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed the new front tire. The rear is at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the shift linkage is worn, the dash panel lights for the cruise control and spotlights are inoperable, and this bike is due for its cam chest service. Additionally, the cam chain tensioner noise is only when the engine is hot. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the left side of the muffler, a dent and corrosion on the front fender, scratches on the front fender, and scrapes on the left saddlebag. This bike has one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a Reinhardt exhaust, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, windshield trim, meat hook handlebars, grips, chrome speaker engaged trim, highway pegs, saddlebag guards, and a luggage rack. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.